my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to uninstall Esaymail email client apps in PC or laptop in Windows 11. So for this case, we have to go to the search options. Here I have clicked. So here are the settings we will click. Then we have found the apps. In apps, we will click the installed apps. Here we can manage the uninstall and manage apps on your PC. So click here. So it requires few second time. So here lots of apps has been installed here. So we want to search. So what we want Esaymail. So see here. So we can uninstall from here, or we can go to the advanced options, and here in below side also we can uninstall from here. And what have there have uninstalled this apps and its settings, your document will not be affected. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.